What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing two G Fuel Energy formulas, and I'm also going to be ranking my top 5 favorite G Fuel Energy formula flavors. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel, check out the DYDSS store, make sure you get your $5 off G Fuel Energy formula, and of course, get up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Weeble and funding your account. Everything's linked in the description. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing this package right here. It just arrived from, I think, UPS or USPS. I don't even remember. But I have two G Fuel Energy formulas in here. I wanted to do a quick unboxing just because why open it up off camera when I can open it up on camera? I have two flavors in here that I'm very, very familiar with. I believe it or not, I think they're my top 2 favorites, or 2 of my 3 favorites. We have, check this out right here. We have Bahama Mama, and we have Miami Nights. These two right here, 2 delicious flavors. We're going to take these out of the box, and I'm going to rank my top 5 in order. So first on the list is absolutely going to have to be Miami Nights. This one right here. Let me prop this light up over here. That way we can actually see what we're doing. This right here, 100%. My favorite G Fuel Energy formula. This is actually the most recent one that I tried out, and it is delicious. It's like pina colada flavor. I think it's like pineapple, coconut, strawberry. I've never actually had a pina colada before. I don't really know much about those kind of beverages. I don't even drink. I drink G Fuel though, and this is just, it's just delicious. Sugar-free, low calorie, packed with a bunch of vitamins. Boost your energy in a healthy way. It doesn't get you all wired out and jittery and whatnot. It's just, I'm friggin' big fan of G Fuel. Next on the list, I'm going to have to go with, I'm probably going to have to go with this one. Bahama Mama, the 2 flavors that I just opened up out of the package. I'm going to have to go with these 2 as my my top 2. This one right here, another tropical flavor. It's kind of a pattern with my favorite G Fuel Energy formulas. I don't know, it's just like tropical flavored stuff, I guess, but this one right here, pineapple, orange, coconut, it's amazing. You drink one of these things, you feel like you're actually in the Bahamas, and I've been drinking this one for a couple of years now. Like I said, this one over here, Miami Nights, tried this out for the first time kind of recently, easily made its way to the #1 spot. This one right here, been drinking this one for years. It got bumped down to 2nd on the list, but it's still up there. This thing is a banger right here. 3rd on the list, I'm going to have to go with Sonic Peach Rings. Now, if you ever had Peach Rings candy before, that's what this tastes like. That's exactly what this tastes like. It's amazing. Kind of tastes like peach iced tea, but it actually tastes like the candy. If you've ever had the candy Peach Rings from the store, banger of a flavor. 3rd on the list. 4th on the list, I'm going to have to go with Snow Cone. This right here, it tastes like, well, obviously it tastes like a snow cone. I'm trying to think of something more specific. It kind of tastes like those ice pops. You know, those colorful ice pops. It kind of reminds me of one of those. Maybe my memory is off a little bit. I haven't had one of those things since I was probably like 6 or 7 years old. I don't even remember. But that's what it reminds me of. And it's really good. It's not something that I would recommend this time of the year, though. This time of the year is probably not the time for snow cone flavored energy. I don't know. This is just it's more of a summer drink in my opinion. And actually what I would recommend doing with this, if you want to try this out, by the way, I'll leave a link in the description. You get $5 off your first order. But this right here, what I would recommend is I would fill a cup completely with ice. Pour a scoop of this in there, add enough water to fill it to the brim, shake it up, and drink it like that. That's how I would do it, and that's definitely something that I would recommend for the summer. Not in the middle of, or the end of February or early March, whenever this video is coming out. Then, of course, 5th on the list. It's going to have to be something that I only ordered one time, and I definitely liked it. Definitely a big fan of it. I would order it again, but I'm going to stick to my top 3 flavors when it comes to ordering. I'm gonna try out a new one next time I place an order, just so I have something else to taste test, I guess. But fifth on the list would be this one right here. Surprise, surprise, another tropical kind of flavor. It's called Battle Juice, but it's just straight pineapple. It's just like drinking a pineapple energy blend. I think it's good. I think it's delicious. Those are my top 5 favorite G Fuel flavors. Miami Nights, Bahama Mama, Sonic Peach Rings, Snow Cone, and Battle Juice, aka pineapple. If guys are interested in any G Fuel energy formula, once again, $5 off. Link will be in the description. And if you guys like today's video, as always, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel. Check out the DYDSS store. Get your $5 off G Fuel by clicking the link in the description. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. Everything will be linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.